Hey guys, Alan here with Low Trail Trailers, and today I want to show you our new EH model equipment hauler. Now this trailer has a 10-inch I-beam frame and a gross rating of 20,000 pounds. As you can see, it is a full 82 inches in between the fenders and is available in lengths of 16 to 30 feet long. Now this trailer comes well equipped with a ton of standard features. Let's go over some of those features. It comes standard with a 6-hole Demco auto-locking adjustable coupler. It has a fully sealed cold weather cord with a 7-way RV plug. Next up, we added two 10K heavy-duty Ram drop leg jacks. Under this beast, you get two 10,000-pound Dexter torsion oil bath axles wrapped in 17.5 16-ply wheels and tires. Typically, these equipment haulers come standard with a straight deck and 5-foot slide-in ramps. Although this customer opted to go with two of our more popular options, a 2-foot dovetail and our spring-loaded 4-inch channel stand-up heavy-duty ramps. Pressure-treated pine wood floor, flush mount LED lights, rigid diamond plate fenders, and as always, all Low Trail trailers are primed and powdered with Sherwin-Williams powder coat. For more information on this trailer or to find a dealer near you, visit us at lowtrail.com. Don't forget, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.